Take the opportunity to get in on these lithium stocks. It's time to use weakness as an opportunity with lithium stocks. Albemarle. Investors can collect its yield while waiting for the stock to recover. Livent. With the pullback only a temporary event, investors should buy. American Lithium. Its Peru lithium project could be a major near-term catalyst. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 lithium stocks to turn $5,000 into $1 million. December 2023. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Supply issues crushed lithium stocks. However, as I noted on December 5th, the fear is creating a massive opportunity for patient investors. I'd also said I'd use the temporary, excessive fear as an opportunity. That's because the pullback was ridiculously overdone. Sure, supply issues still exist, but down the line, we won't have enough supply to meet growing demand. Remember, as noted by Morningstar, rising electric vehicle adoption and the increasing build-out of energy storage systems will keep lithium demand growing to surpass 1 million metric tons in 2024, from 800,000 in 2022, eventually hitting 2.5 million metric tons by 2030. While we see rising supply, we think enough projects will face delays to maintain a market deficit as demand grows. Plus, the biggest lithium producers in the world are still bullish on lithium. In fact, as noted by readers, in calls with investors and analysts in recent days, lithium producers said they saw the market volatility as short-term, adding that they expect electrification to keep growing. That said, I'd still buy lithium stocks on weakness. Number 1. Albemarle. The last time I mentioned Albemarle, the industry's 800 pounds. Gorilla had plunged to a low of $123.38 on November 29th. It was also trading at 6 times earnings at the time I mentioned and at less than half of growth, none of which was sustainable. Since then, Albemarle bounced back to about $128 and could refill its bearish gap around $170. Helping, Bank of America just upgraded Albemarle to a neutral rating, noting the stock is undervalued. I'm not sure what took them so long, but it's good to see they're waking up. I'd also expect other firms to start jumping on the bullish Albemarle bandwagon again shortly. Better, while we wait for Albemarle to recover lost ground, we can collect its 1.2% yield. Number 2. Livent. I'd also mentioned Livent on November 29th, noting it's wildly overextended on relative strength, RSI, MACD, and Williams percent R+. According to the company, it still expects to see significantly improved performance versus 2022. At the time, Livent just slipped to $13.54. It's now up to $14.69. From here, I'd like to see it initially retest prior resistance around $19. While JP Morgan and Piper Sandler lowered their ratings on the Livent stock in recent days, that's a bad call, in my opinion. With the lithium price pullback being a temporary event, investors should take full advantage of the weakness here and with other beaten-down lithium stocks. We also have to consider Livent trades at 20% growth at the moment, too. Number 3. American Lithium. There's also American Lithium, which plunged to a low of $1. Now up to $1.10, I still believe there's good potential here. For one, it recently submitted an environmental impact assessment study for its Falcani lithium project in Peru, hoping for near-term approval. Even better, American Lithium raised its estimates for the Falcani project by 476% from 2019, saying it could hold 5.53 m metric tons of lithium carbonate equivalent, which would make it one of the world's largest hard rock lithium projects, as noted by Seeking Alpha. While its chart is nothing to write home about, this potentially lucrative Peru project could provide a massive upside catalyst. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.